Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's me, Luffy, and Parker.
So today I am doing a refill on my anniversary nails. I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture in here so you can see what they look like. So what I did off camera was I went ahead and prepped my nails. I just drilled around the cuticle area and got all of that lifting up if there was any. And then I just come in and I rough up my nails with a hand file. I put some alcohol or dehydrator, and then I put some primer, and then I go in with my base coat and I cure for 30 seconds. So I come in with just a little bit of the Makartt light pink polygel. Last time I used clear, but I wanted light pink this time. I don't know why I just did. So I just put just a little bit, and then I smooth it around the cuticle and make sure that I don't touch it, but that I get the nail as flush as possible. And then once I'm done, I just take whatever's left and bring it on down to the end of my nail. So these did take a little long to do, only because I had my little bitty Kiara Sky portable lamp. My big lamp broke, so I had to literally cure my nails one by one. But the refill process is actually fairly quick, usually about 15 minutes tops for one hand for me to get done with it. So after I was done, I file shaped and buffed off camera, and then I came in with some base gel, cured for 30 seconds, and then today I used this light pink color. At first I was going to keep it sheer, but I ended up doing one coat because my daughter thought it would be cool to pour glitter all in my stuff. So I had to do a remix of the paint polish that I wanted to use. Yes, it made me sad too. After I was done applying the second coat, I went ahead with a top coat and I cured it for 60 seconds the last time. And I applied some Parker J's Magic Mane oil to my cuticles, and that is it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thumbs up this video. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see y'all later. Mila B.
Parker
and out.